pay for part of it. Her mother would cover some, and she and her fiancé would pay the rest. But when she started telling me what she wanted me to cover, it became clear that she was basically asking me to pay for the entire wedding. I earned a good salary, but the wedding she wanted was going to cost almost everything I had saved. Still, I was scared she would get angry at me again and start ignoring me. So I said okay, I would pay. I drained my savings, took out a loan, and over the next few months, I made all the payments for the wedding. I always found it strange that she didn't talk to me about anything else but the wedding. But again, I just figured she was excited about her big day and didn't question it. However, recently, just a few days before the wedding was supposed to happen, I heard a knock at the door, and when I opened it, it was her uncle, my ex-wife's brother. He was clearly upset and asked to come in because he needed to talk to me urgently. I thought something had happened to them, so I let him in, and that's when he told me everything.